वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावूद आनी भलायकेन. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू हाव टू मेक fish curry masala powder, and you can store this, but if you want a bigger quantity then all this has to be into double. This is for half coconut of curry, half coconut. Okay, so for that what we need is some Goan chilies or button chilies. So I have taken, like, it depends on your spiciness. Okay, so I have taken around 8 of this. You can take less spicy than 4, it up to you. So I have taken 8 of this button chilies, which is from Goa Mapsa market. Then these are around 3 Kashmiri chilies which I have broken into and kept. The color is like this because it is dried in sun, all this. Then what we need is 1 small teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin. Here you can do less or more, it's up to you. Cumin seeds. Then we need onion powder, because we are making this powder and keeping. In case if you are making, then it's easily available in the general store or the supermarket, onion powder. So this is like half onion powder. In tablespoon it is 1 tablespoon. Then this is half teaspoon of ginger powder and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. So this all ingredients we need to make our fish curry masala powder. Later I will show you after grinding it, because this has to be grind fine, and I didn't have my grinded, so I wanted to show you the chilies. That's why. Okay, so here our masala is ready. Okay, so now we will add color to this. We'll add our so here now I will show you how to make a fish curry or seafood curry out of this. So this is the main masala of fish curry masala powder. Hope you all will like this, and make and keep and store. If you want to, then double the amount whatever I have mentioned. Thank you. To make any curry, what else we need is 1 whole coconut, the smaller one, not the bigger one, a ball of tamarind and 1 green chili, and we have to grind this to fine paste. Okay, so our coconut chili and tamarind paste is ready, and now we'll make curry. So today I am going to show you all how to make norcol, that is green turnip, norcol and prawns curry. Okay, today I am making this is norcol from directly our Goan field. My friend had given me, Reshma, and this is 2 onions I'll be taking. This is 1 small tomato, and this curry is without oil. Okay, and our fish masala powder, fish curry masala powder is ready. Here coconut, tamarind and green chili is been ground, that is ready. Prawns are ready. So this is 1/4 kg of prawns. So depending how much you want, you put. And this we have to grind and remove juice of this in a mixer. Just grind this with water and strain the juice and use it for the curry. So water, so we get a juice. Rest everything you have to cut fine, like onion slice, tomato, and this also cut as per how you want. So like this only, you take 1 cup of water and then strain it in a strainer. So you get the juice of the prawns head. Now this is optional method for this curry. If you want, you do, or you don't do. So however you want to cut, you can cut this. Everything is needed, and this is tender, so if you want to remove the skin also, you can remove the skin. If you don't want to remove the skin, then also it's fine. They are very tender. If it is not tender, then you remove the skin out. Now we'll add this in our prawns head juice, and we'll cook this till this is cooked. Then we will add our masala powder, fish curry masala powder, and the coconut. Okay. Salt to taste. So we'll mix this. And cook this. Now for salt we will add, for prawns we will add salt and leave it aside. So let this get cooked nicely. अशी तुम्ही ही सुंगटांची आणि नॉरकलाची कोडी करून खायात आणि पळयात. ह्यो जो हांवें तो सुंगटांचे तोकल्यांचो पळय ज्यूस घातला, तो आमी चड करून सामाराचे कोडयेकी घालता, पूण नॉरकलाचे कोडयेकी तुमी घालून पळयात आनी बरी लागता. सो कांदो शिजोनी, हें शिजोनी, मागीर आमी मसालो घालया. So my norcal is cooked, my onion is cooked. So now we will add our masala, fish curry masala powder to this. Mix this nicely. So it is cooked, and now we will add our coconut to this. The onion is cooked nicely. So now we will add this coconut paste. And mix this nicely. Now we will add water, how much we need. So 1 cup of water to this. 1 cup of water. So let it get a nice boil. Cover, and then we'll add our prawns. Prawns doesn't take much time, that's why we have to add it last. So now we will add our prawns, and we'll cook only for 5 minutes because prawns get cooked fast. So mix this, check the salt, and accordingly then you add. Norcal is cooked, onion is cooked, and now prawns will cook in 5 minutes and it's done. And enjoy this curry, Goan curry, without oil. It's just yum. I'll add little bit salt to this now. and it's done. I'm just not saying like that only. Here. See, this prawns get cooked very quickly. One boil and we close this. So now we'll close the gas because our prawns is cooked. Okay. मानता तुमकां ही सगळ्यांक आवडटली आनी तुमी करून खातली आमची नॉरकॉल सुंगटांची कोडी जी हांवें तुमकां दाखयल्या कशी करूं येता. आमच्या फीश करी रेडीमेड बा मेळतात, फीश करी मसाला पावडर, पूण तुमच्यान घरान करूं येता तो मसालाचो पावडर आनी दवरूं येता. केन्ना बिजी आसता आनी खंय वचोंक जाय तुमकां. सो वेरी हँडी इट इज. थँक्यू सो मच. देव बरें करूं.
Here it is, lovely, tasty Goan Knol Khol and prawns curry. Knol and prawns kodi. Looks yummy and tasty. It's all without oil. Thank you.